Hi and welcome to our next part of the tutorial. We are just about done building our game, but we're going to add a couple more things. Last thing we looked at was using instance variables and subtracting 1 from the health of a monster every time it was struck by a bullet. So what we need to do is we need to go and finish that, because now we've subtracted 1 from the health, but we haven't said now that it's going to be destroyed at any point. So we actually have to put that in. So we're going to go back here to event 3, and what we're going to do is I'm going to right click this here where we destroyed the bullet before. I'm just going to delete that, and the bullet spawning in an explosion, I'm just going to delete that. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add another event, and what that is looking at the health of the monster. So the condition involves the monster. We're going to compare the instance variable. So if we go back to it, we're going to look at the monster, and we're going to compare the instance variable. So I'm going to click on that, next, and we're looking at the health when it is less than or equal to the value 0, then we want it to be destroyed. So I'm going to click on that. So that's the condition. What's the action? We want the monster to be destroyed. So we want that. Recall that we also want the bullet to spawn the explosion. So we have to put that back in, spawn another object. It's going to spawn the explosion, and that'll be on layer 1. And the final thing is we want the bullet to be destroyed when it hits the monster. So there. So now we've looked at the health condition. When the monster has health less than or equal to 0, we want the monster to be destroyed. We want the bullet to spawn an explosion, and we want the bullet to then be destroyed. So take a look at that on your game. Create that condition and those actions, and we'll talk to you soon.